Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I am going to be sharing something very interesting. Nowadays Korean skincare is a lot in. So today I'm going to be making a rice water face mask, which is very good to tone your skin, to tighten your skin, to give you a brighter, younger looking skin. So we are going to be making this advanced mask. The basic formulation will be shared in the description box for beginners who would like to give this a try. For these more advanced versions, you all can connect with me for my workshops on the WhatsApp number that's given. So we'll quickly begin. Now here I have gone ahead and taken my water phase ingredients, in which I have my water, I've taken some glycerin as my humectant, and I have added my gelling agent here to give this a good viscosity, along with a little bit of rice water. That's the reason why it looks white color. Now for the gelling agent, I have taken a little bit of xanthan gum clear. Here I have my oil phase ingredients, in which I have my oil, my waxes, my emollients, my emulsifier. All these ingredients are present in my oil phase, and now we'll quickly go ahead and heat both these phases and we'll make our mask. Okay, so I've gone ahead and heated both the phases here, and now I will quickly go ahead and add my water phase into my oil phase, and we'll give this a good blend so that both our phases nicely combine with each other. Okay, so I've gone ahead and combined both the phases here, and we have a lovely beautiful texture of our mask. Now I'll go ahead and add my powdered ingredients to this. Here I have taken some arrowroot powder just as our nice film binding agent, because this is a mask, so it gives an excellent mask feel to your product, along with giving it a very lightweight finish on your skin. So I'm just going ahead and blending this powder into the cream. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and add my preservative. I have mixed my powders well in this. I will go ahead and add my preservative to this, and I'll just add 2 to 3 drops of fragrance here. This is optional. If you want to keep it unscented, you can skip the fragrance part. And we'll go ahead and mix our preservative and the fragrance well with our lovely mask that we have made. You can see the beautiful consistency of the mask. It has an excellent feel here, and it feels even more lightweight and beautiful on the skin. When you spread it, it is a beautiful mask consistency that we have. So this is it with our rice mask which we have made today, which is extremely beneficial for the skin. You will see lovely results of your on your skin using this frequently. And if anyone would like to learn how to make these, you all can definitely connect with me on the WhatsApp number that's given. And if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone.